And where were we at last time? Oh, so we have to add in a statement looking to see if this output name's length is 1, and if it is, we remove this. So let's do it. All right, so we ended up getting this working. We had to create these if statements here. If it's greater than this, then do this. Else do this. And we also, if you're only going to have one thing returned, we don't need to turn it into a dictionary. So we just we just say final df equals the data frame. If it's greater than this, then we create a dictionary. And then here we're returning it. But now the problem is that we do this, then we're going to send it through the combos, right? So here, if we need to do something where it's like, if the length of, so here, so if the length of the parameters is less than 1, is less is less than 2, then we have to say you can't do any combos or Cartesian with this. It's impossible. What is this? Parameters? Parameters. Let's see here. Damn, it's so windy and so cold. So this right here, we have to do len. It's 1. So if is greater than if it equals 1, and art product or combos, we'll say this indicator has one parameter, which is this. And I feel like I call that a lot. List info parameter key. Why does this not work? Why does it not work? List info parameter keys. Oh, is it maybe because of this? What? we'll say
Ya tengo la zapita que lo confirma, que ayer lo tenía bugueado y no salía.
this indicator only has one parameter, which is there, or you can compose or this indicator only has one parameter, which is time period. Therefore, 0. This indicator only has one parameter, which is time period. Therefore, you can't do combos. Okay.
Ya no terminé de estudiar, ¿cómo se llama?
I guess where else are we? Here. What did they say? Param. Indicator params. You have a list for parameters.
Así me mandan eso. Estaba un poquito de por la notificación.
Oof, this is so disgusting. So info input names. Hmm.
No, eso no es ilegal. Posiblemente.
Parameter keys. Info parameter keys. I thought that oh, we did that. Info parameter dot keys. What? It's everywhere. Info dot keys. Keys. Where's that at? So we have this list here. This. 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 I feel like we have too many like variables.
Pero eso es suficiente para emplayarlo.
There's info. feel like I need to change info to end that, change this to this, whoops.
Ya que tienes un break, pero la mando por todo.
Change this. Change this one.
Hay que crear los trabajadores. Eso cada uno su trabajo.
Right. So indicator name. Guess we should probably put that. Here.
Nada del año. 164 debería tener.
Length of names must match number of levels. Multi-index. Length of names. Length of names. 202.
Yo muy feadísimo, pero me siento inútil.
Length of names. Two. Is 20. So this is 2, this is 2. This is 2. This is 3. What? Do I have to do dot copy? Because I guess I'm changing the original version of this. That's stupid. There we go. I think it works. I think the whole thing works. Function name, you need a data frame, you need you need quarks. So, okay, so now the question is, where does it go? Does it... if we're in the backtester... Do we call it TA?
Oh, another here.
I guess this is where we would put it inside of indicators. And then here we would call it talib ind, I guess. Talib indicators.py. Yes. Right.
Para una partida, tío, pero todo el mundo va a hacer que como no tiene ni mierda. Es la de 3 personas que te dicen lo que me rellena, ¿sabes? Oh.
I didn't even use abstract. Guess if I just I know that. Oh, shit. When I do PD frame, I use NumPy and I use pandas. Let's see here. This. Where are errors? We ain't got no errors.
No son todas, pero la mayoría. Por ejemplo, lo mira antes en Akali.
Product combo.
Y tengo todas las que se pueden comprar.
We have no errors here? No, nothing? That's impossible. Talib in import Erding. I guess does that mean I also have to? No.
Porque el gran level 3 de eco no es como el de un Java o una elipse. Elipse va a darle el 2, dale tú y
Indicators, talib indicators.
Por eso tienes que hacer commit con la W y te la puedes clasear muy fácil. O sea, que es obviamente fácil clasear la W de eco.
I feel like this needs to be a class though. Because then I want to be able to send it as a self over to like is above, is below, blah 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 blah. But anyways, so it'd be like QF TA lib.
TP, pues, a ver, que está fuerte, River está bastante fuerte, hizo un campeón para los TP. Si quiere un mago, Aurelio,
From
ya
TA
te
lib.
lo
Oh yeah, we need to create a function that also gets the info. I mean, that's gonna be just this. So it'll just be like TA lib indicator info. You just send the function.
Víctor está bien como para empezar a farmar de control porque es como el más sencillo de todo. Eco no, Eco medio tiene bastantes carencias. Todo para si te gusta, o sea, en verdad juega el campeón que te gusta Eco, total.
I wonder if. So all we'd have to do is just do define lib. Oh. Now we just need func name string. Here we'll just name. It talib indicator info. What else would you need?
Bueno, no creo que sea tan pensante, sería más bien tu y tu mano. Por eso no hay que darle, por eso empezamos para luego estar citando a otro tiro, o sea, que puedes lo
I guess I could also print out the URL. No, maybe I don't. So here, get functions. What does this do? Good lord. All of these functions that's I guess this would be good. We we can show all the TA functions supported by TLib either as a list or a dictionary sorted by group, e.g. overlap studies. How do you print them as a
Sila sa dito. Hindi mo lang kulay na.
So maybe I'll talib website. talib website. Wait, how do you get Python? Something? How to open URL in Python? With the web browser on your. Does that work? Well, whatever. I don't think we need to do that. 150,000 times. Python. So oh, we're here, so we got a talib indicator info. Then we have talib function list website link here. What else do we need? I feel like that's it. Get function. Functions list. List. Indicators list. talib list of indicators. I wonder how you return the dictionary. But he says here you can return it as a dictionary. Whatever. How do I? Can you do? So from talib Get compatibility. What the fuck is get? What is get compatibility? What is that? What is this? What does get compatibility do? Zero. What? Takes no arguments. What? Anyways. So we have a function from talib. So here, indicator, I don't know what to call this. Not from talib, like. I don't want to call it from talib. I want to call. Okay. I don't know what to call this thing. All right, so we're running into a major problem here, which is you can't send float values to indicators that don't get float values. And why that's a problem, expected int got float. That is a problem because this empty changes everything to a float. And I do not know how to allow this to be the original data type. All right, well, I was running into an issue with the thing changing to floats, and so now I had to use the iter tools. So I realized that you can just do iter tools product user args and then send it to a numpy array and then transpose it, and you'll get the same exact thing, except you won't be messing around with these. So I guess what I can do here is comment all this out, just do this. God damn it. What did I just do? What the hell did I just do? Copy this. I don't understand. I do not understand. Why? I feel like I just fucked everything up somehow. Did I? Here I would just need to do array. What did I do? List product of user arg list. This. We evaluate this. We'll see that we have the array that we were supposed to have. And then, if that's the case, then we don't even need this whole like int thing or any of that other stuff. So I guess just do this. Oh, final tuple equals this. But it's not even a tuple. Well, I have to. This is not even a tuple. Let's call it final user args. It's not even a tuple. Final user args. Expected int got int 32. Okay, so I guess I did actually need all that shit. All right. Do I... If type equals int, what? What? How do you... What? What? How is this a... This is a numpy 32. Okay. Dot. Dot. Boy, 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 boy. Okay. So what's inside of this? Got a bunch of 5. That's because we gotta do this T. All right. $15, $20, $25, $30, $3, $2, $6, $9, $5, $5, $5, $0, $0, so now let's try that RSI. Okay. Okay. Let's go back to what we had here. Okay. Why does that work? That doesn't make sense. Oh. Wait, it's supposed to catch the price thing. If key names is prices. What? What? How did it not even get here? So I just realized that I have to do this as well for this. So if we are here, then we have to do this. Because if it's a list, we should get an error now. It's you need to provide prices instead of price. And I'll do this. It says prices must be a list of strings. Here. 8. Prices must your prices your list prices your list of prices. 43. Your list of must be The surprises must be 3. Must be three. Okay. Let's see this. True. Cartesian. There we go. 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. 50, 50, 50, 50, 20, 20, 20, 30, 30, 30. All right. So now we are in biasness. Okay. I think I have to delete this numpy here. So we're over here. Import. I mean, this goes pretty damn fast. So let's see here. It's only 9:37. Jesus Christ. All right, so I'm working on the evaluator, and now the problem has become when I'm creating the data frame, I am not going to have the name of the
Parlor word.
I'm not going to have the name of the. Well, I guess I could if I could.
Felix.
Yeah, actually, I do have the name here. So I have to figure out how to get this. All right, so here's how you would add the RSI count time period. RSI is below, so the indicator name below. There you go. Okay. The RSI is below. So that means that I would have to do this. Same thing. This. Indicator settings tuple. Oh shit. So here, say like this. So now, what I have to do is p index, and then so what I need to do is get 0. So that's going to be this. So this would have to be this plus this. And then we have to do names. What? How do you get to that? Multi-index names. Wait, what? How do you get to this? What? 0. Ah, there we go. What is this?
Destroy the
okay. So then here, I have to do like this. Okay, so well, we're not gonna be able to send a series. So that's not true.
He's the Grand Spicer. I love that guy.
So else raise value error data must be a no wait.
Trillion years.
Wait.
The death of the lost sun, the ache of starlight comes to them.
Data must be a list of then we'd have to say a
I mean,
data testing if not is
isn't science supposed to have facts and not like the fact that what happens? It seems like there is predicting what's going to happen. Like how could they possibly know what's going to happen in a trillion years from now?
must be a data frame with multi.
We can have no idea what's going to happen. We can't.
So here we have
Oh,
to
yeah.
do. Ooh. I think here we'd have to do data testing columns. 0. That's
So I
the-
actually don't think with the technology we have, we're going to be able to create our own sun. No, but think about it though.
Columns dot name.
Imagine like,
Plus
imagine for 100 years now, being able to create the internet and everything we created. Imagine if that we did that in 100 years. Imagine if we get 2,000 years, 3,000 years, we're probably gonna be able to create some. We'll have like, it'll be like sunny during the winter as well in Sweden.
Hmm? Hmm? Data.column.names 0 split is below. Indicator name is below. This? This thing gonna work? This is not gonna work. Prices?
There we go.
30?
Much better.
Slice? None. What? Okay, so what do we got going on here? So it's an int. Data array. Temporary array is data testing. Data value.
Freezing on them. Slash no detail.
Non-type object has attribute split. God damn it. Okay. Eval array is just filled with. Oh my god.
And then the freeze. You gotta fix the freeze, man. You gotta fix it. Man, come on now. Fix the freeze. Poor guy, man. Oh man. But you never fixed the freeze. Oh man.
So. What? Hmm? Open, high, low, close. Index? Oh, I need to send RFI index. Okay.
Dire. Kill me. I'm ready.
Shape, past, is this indices imply. Indices imply. What does this mean? return. Oh shit, it works. We got some truths. Okay. So what does it say? Indices imply what?
Aha! So he kills me 2 times here. I get plating, bounce and sloth. You put that into the calculator. Take out the variables. 175 greater than 300. We're in business this game.
Okay. How does this not work?
No. That is annoying. It's on a cannon wave. Bad death. Real bad death.
Hmm? In the shape of past value. What is the past value? Eval array. Hmm?
Five greater than 300. Good. Really good.
So what do I have to do with a list of lists? I don't understand. Oh.
3 platings. So we're actually even, me and the sandwich. It's 3 and... He's 3 and 0, I'm 3 and 3.
So how do I... I guess I'd have to do the concatenation. Yeah, I have to do the concatenation here. I have to do the concatenation here. I have to create like an empty df. And then here I have to
This guy.
e.cat. How do can I concat?
Wait, I don't...
Pandas concat. Wait, how did I do it over here? I have the df columns concat. Okay, so I have to create the data frame here. df equals eval array all of the rows in the column, right? Yeah. Then we have to, I don't think I need to give it an index. Index equals data testing dot index. That's the index. So data frame eval column. Then I have to come in here and do this. So we're here. Then we have to do temp dot columns equals p dot multi-index from tuples. And then I guess that's where we do this. I guess, is this what we do here? So temp df.columns equals pd.multi-index from tuples. So all of this stuff works. And then we can cat empty df temp df. Then we say axis one.
Paprika powder.
Oh,
Paprika in Swedish, and I think it's called something else in English.
I guess we just do this here. Right? Because the indicator name is not going to change. I feel like this just needs to be is below or is above. So eval is below or above, and then the person chooses here.
What is that?
Turn below into is above or below a checker. No, I don't want to do that. Well, no, because then all I have to do here is do this, do an if statement here. Shit. I don't want to have to check that every single time, though. That would be such an annoying check to do. Nah, fuck that. We're just going to leave it as is below. And then we will return. This is not empty df, this is final df.
Sit down, Sinch. Sit down.
And then we will return final df. Okay.
My mouth is out of control now. Might have been better to actually die there.
So temp df equals, so I have a temporary data frame that is empty because evaluate array. Wait, what? Oh. What?
My God, my team.
How did we get to here? And we have to go up to the next column, though. How do we have both of these things as... Oh. How is the final df? Wait, what? So we got the temporary.
Good job.
Where are the
Bounce.
values?
Ah,
Values, false, true, true. Okay. And then the final should be... What?
trolling here.
How is it an empty data frame still? What?
My bad. Getting those is right.
You have to save it? Okay, I did not know that. Even though I just did it, I did not know. Oh, what? Copy true. If false, do not copy data on the data frame join data frames using indexes, merge data frames by indexes or columns. So join columns of another data frame. Use columns with other data frames. Join.
Best time to ulti, guys. Let me give you something, guys. Best time to ulti is when your opponent is somewhere around here. Imagine they're here, and I ulti them. They either have to walk down and get my ulti to get out, or they have to walk all the way around to get out.
Whatever. I could have sworn to God this concat had I did not know that you had to actually save it. Alright, well. Anyways, let's try it again. I hate this thing. Okay. So.
Another game carrying the bow.
Why does this... Why does... temp df equals... Do you always have to carry over the index?
It is a meme. I never get carried.
Oh, wait, what? Why is it? Why is this? Wait, what? What? I have my values for the index, obviously. But how does it get
Dead.
what? 6959? 6959. What does that even mean? 69 oh 59. So that's that. How does this not work? Temp data frame array. Temp data frame. Index. What? But why the fuck? Oh, no, the wrong screen. I guess.
Oh my god, what happened with Multimira this game? What kind of damage it did?
I feel like there's got to be a way. If mapping object axis 0, 1 column, the access to concatenate along. Join how to handle indexes on other axes. Join inner, outer, default, inner. Oh. So maybe I need to do join equals. Ooh, that did not work. I have this. Oh. Hey, but why does it fall off? Well, I don't understand why it falls off.
100 million trillion years. Over time, gravity ejects dead stars and planets.
If
galaxies.
What if I just do this? Oh, whoops.
Billion trillion years. But that's so long time. Like 3 billion.
Now, why doesn't this work?
That's so long time. Like, we're not gonna experience this, right? Like, in our lifetime.
How do you?
Any surviving life forms may find refugee around aging white dwarfs.
What? Why does this not work?
Billion, trillion. We don't have a number of trillion. I know we have like
Why does it do this? I have this here. I have this here. Wait, the time period is 15. Then the time period is 15 again. Oh, this needs to be call 15, 20. Okay, so why is this still not I don't understand.
Long dormant black holes flare up in a blaze of glory.
Cat. The final DF. Oh, I guess I just can't. I shouldn't have done the index.
1 million trillion years. Okay.
So I had to do the index here. So you have to create the data frame with this index. Why can't you do index? Anyways. Oh, true, yeah. Well, that was extremely fast. So now the reason why that was fast is because it's very simple here. So now the question is, if I do the list, because if I send it a list,
As the expansion of the universe accelerated, begins to spread matter apart faster than the speed of light. Speed of light is 300,000.
if it's if what not all dot what did I do here? All instance what? If not oh you have to do all like this. This. If not all this, then you have to raise. Thing. Okay, so then from here, we'd have to do
1,000 trillion years ago. We're in the future.
Alright, so I think it's possible that here is where switching over to polars might help because I'm just trying to run this where I evaluate is below 20 and 25 and
You got it, man. Nice.
I don't know,
Yeah.
is this even working? Because then I have to build a data frame and do it. Should not take this long. There's no way it should take this long. Why is this not working?
Ah.
So this is 2. Oh wait, I think I did it backwards. Yeah, I did this backwards. So this needs to be up here. This needs to be here. Okay, yeah. So I need to go for the column. Then I need to go for X. Then I need to go through all the bars. Do this. Then print out this. Then come back up here. Go to 2. Then do this. Then come back up here. Go to the next one. Okay, yeah. So I think. Okay, yeah. There. That makes a lot. There we go. What the fuck? Well, that was easy. What's this?
Oh, is an alpha arguing it with people about politics again? Oh, no, not again.
That was easy. Was easy. Um,
Oh, baby.
this.
I don't know, guys, what do you think? AP Aurelia? I think she wins that one for free. I think AP Aurelia kills at least two there. She reached the build.
So do this. Well, wait a minute. Let's do this. Okay. So that. So now what happens? We take it over to evaluators. Put it here. Then we duplicate this and do is. And then, oh, yes. We have to, well, let me say greater than. Here we say greater. That's it. That's all we do. Then now we have to change the names of these thing. I don't know. Data testing? What the fuck should this be called? For the union, this thing must be an int list, int or float, or int or float. So let's go ahead and do this for now. So now we have to change this from thing to, well, data testing. What is it?
I don't know, guys.
Eval data or indicator data. Indicator data.
That production shit.
Indicator data.
Good 1-for-1.
Then thing here is going to be, I don't even know. User I don't fucking know what this is. User arguments? User args. Okay, so we have to add evaluators. So now the question is, does this actually work? So we'll go over to this, and we will. I guess this was a test. So this, I guess all we do is just run this. Is eval is below. I don't even need QF. Damn. What is this? We'll do like. So RSI count is 0, 1, 2. Time period is 15, 20, 30.
I got her. I got her.
RSI is below 20, 25, 30, 40,
You can't
50.
dash away. You can't dash away. I'm gonna get you.
I can't believe this is actually real. God damn. Wow. I can't believe this is actually real. This is unbelievable. This is unbelievable.
It's a little bit rough, not gonna lie. It's much of it harder and harder. Luckily she's building AD, so she doesn't scale as well.
Uh, I mean, I just put out an update, and now I have to put out another one. I literally just put out an update. Now I have to put out another one. If it's a numpy array, does it matter? If it's a numpy array, well, if it's a numpy array, how does it differ? The list. Then we come here. Oh, the list has to be greater than 1. Doesn't it? No. It doesn't have to be greater than 1. But if it's a list or a numpy array,
Bye.
so if x
Liar.
what did I just do? So if instance is can you do that? If instance is an array,
Why does she have to laugh?
if not all is instance x, okay, I guess that makes sense, yeah. Then we'd come into here, but it's the same thing. This is the same exact thing. All I do is just same thing. It has to be the same thing. NP array. So then we come into here, and then we grab the array and we say, give me this. Yeah, that has to work.
As soon as you get to I go the other length. Get her, guys, get her!
Absolutely insane. Okay, so if that's supposed to work like that, then let's see. We got a range. We got a
Bigger than America.
what?
America is a part of all of America. Is a part of Earth. So, of course, Earth is bigger
So
than
we
America.
do 20, 61. Instance R2 must be a type, a tuple of types, or a union. A tuple of types or a union.
Help! Help!
I don't even think that I have to check this shit.
I don't know.
God damn it.
FPS and some of it are really low. This is ridiculous. Why is my
I don't know how to get this to recognize NP array. If instance use the bulletin type function to get the type, then you can use module property to find out where it was defined. Import numpy array, type a, numpy dot dn array. type A is module numpy. Wait, numpy. Indeed. Yeah, I think maybe this will work now.
Get a streaming PC. Get it.
Okay, so user.
My PC that I have is good.
A. A. 0. What? If not all, it is instance X for X in user args.
Not one PC. One PC to stream.
So what am I doing here?
I'll tell you
For X in
are you stupid?
NP dot
You guys obviously never stream your life. You need to stream same PC that I play because it's called game capture. Like, what are you guys talking about? Jesus.
What do you mean? Oh. These are numpy. Okay, so that means that I need to do int float np dot this. Oh shit.
These guys are so dumb.
Can you do this? I don't think you can. I don't think you can do it.
Hey, come back here.
Oh, you can do it. Okay.
Show yourself again.
Yeah, what? Okay, there we go. I think all I have to change is this down here. Hmm?
You can game capture with a capture card and then use a cable to transfer the capture content to the other PC. Then OBS comes here, so your gaming PC is going to encode anything for streaming.
So start at 80.
Bruh.
Go down to, we'll start at 70. Go down to 40. I'll do negative. What?
How to set that up.
What? What do you mean? What? What do you mean? I probably changed some other stuff, so it's just yeah.
Oh, triple kill! Triple kill! GG, baby.
Oh, I know over here. Ugh. Over here, I need to do this. array one dimensional? Array 1D is type in the array.
Large.
I wonder if I could just do it like this. Does that work? Yep, it still works. Over here, it still
Maybe I'll do one more
works.
game. One more.
Okay, so that means that if I just do this, change it to greater than, and change to greater than. Then we have is right.
My CPU is always being. This happened last time I had a game.
Here we'll say 80. Okay, so this is 80 and this is 70 and this is
Legends, but why can I take away one?
hmm? What? Oh.
Like, why does Riot need to open? Riot, you can get one.
It works! I don't know where I left off, but I obviously have the talib thing done. I just got the evaluator is below is above done. So I guess so okay, so the next thing is combining RSI is below and and EMA is above. So build below function for evaluators. We've done that. So also I found out that there's something going on with the order records in talib. Make sure that you can make sure that all values in carts are unique. Okay, so the next thing that needs to get done is I need to make it so that it's true false based on being above EMA and below RSI. Once I can do that, then it's time to move on to this. So like once I figure out how to do combinations, because I think here I have my true false values, and then after that I need to send it into like evaluator is below. So how do I combine these? Because this is going to give me the true or false. So then I would have to go to is above for the EMA. So I get both of those. And then I guess I would have to do like a combine. I'd have to make like a combine evaluators function where you can send however many evaluators that you want. But I guess for now, we'll obviously just have to be 2. And I would have to compare each column with each thing. I guess. Because if I had like the EMA is 300 and the EMA 600, then I'd have to do the Cartesian of all of those as well. So I'd have to do the Cartesian of all of that. So here I would have 300, and then I'd have 600, and then I'd have to do the Cartesian of all of those. Because you couldn't do a combos. You'd have to do the Cartesian. Because I don't think that you can do Cartesian of any of these evaluators. Because it's like, if you're gonna get a true or false, it's just, it is what it is. You can't send like multiple. So here I'd have to create a combine evaluators function that it basically just goes through each one and says if np dot where this equals true and the other. Oh, well, all I'd have to do is just do where RSI of X, right? RSI of X is, and E, where RSI of X equals, oh no, I'd have to say where RSI of X equals true and EMA of X equals true. Then place true. I think in NumPy there is that like and thing that they have. Yeah, the logical operator, they do have that in NumPy. So it should be actually pretty simple. It should literally just be that, where you just do a for loop through. You just have to just do one for loop because, no, you're gonna do two for loops because of the fact that it's a two-dimensional array. So you do your column and then you do your row. So it's the same thing, column and bar, and then you just do the NumPy array and the and thingy, and you just do this array and this array equals true and this array equals true. Then make it a true, else make it a false, and then you spit out the results. So yeah, that's not gonna be hard. And then from there, well, now that that's not gonna be hard, well then after that, I just make this. I start making a dashboard. Shit, cause man, oh yeah, dude. Unless something crazy happens, yeah. The dashboard. The only problem is that, I guess I would have to have a list of indicators that belong on the chart and a list of indicators that should have their own separate chart. Like the EMA needs to be on the chart and the RSI needs to be below the chart. But anyways, yeah, that combination thing is gonna be, it's just gonna, yeah. So we'll do that later today or tomorrow, whatever. All right, so I am trying to do this EMA is above, but I want to do the price. So now I guess I got to look into this and I guess I should be able to send the price as an array. But it's a 1D array. Hmm. Hmm. column in, oh shit. So here I'd have to get the temporary. Oh god damn it. Temporary data values? What is this? Oh man, indicator data values. Indicator data values. So indicator data, column names. Wait a minute, what the fuck is going on here? So the indicator data, okay, we're getting the values. What? Wait a minute, what the hell is going on here? So this is a data frame. So we automatically get the values from the indicator. Now what we want to do is send the price. So if the user data is pd.dataframe, then we get the user data values equals user arg.values. Then what we do is we do for call and range indicator data shape 1. We do temporary indicator data array. Okay. So we grab the first column.
Some great complimentary support on the lineup right now. It's not just the top guys, so it's great to get back and help any way I can.
What am I don't know what I'm doing. I can't think right now. So I just found out how to test. I've been thinking about this for a long time. How do you test a variable against multiple values? So here you just do if tester.lower is not in this tuple, so it just grabs this, then for yes, or you can check if it's in it. So that works. So here we have if kennel data equals none, or this, if we have price as a PD series, then we take the user args price.value, and then we just do this for call and range this. So temp data array indicator data column, then we get for x in range this, for bar in range this. Then we have to set each individual thing because we're testing where this is greater than price values. I really need to change this to price values. Price dot values, values, the length of price values, X. What the fuck is this? Wait. No, we need to go one by one. What? We just need 2 for loops. We need this, and we need the price. Wait. We need to just go down. We just need we need 2 for loops. We just need one of the bars. We need this. What? We need to go one by one. We have to go EMA price, 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 EMA price. So we need to grab this, and then we need to just do 4 bar. For bar and range this, evaluator array, bar and column, where temporary indicator array, bar, price value, bar. Where the indicator value, where the price is greater than the indicator value. The price is greater than the indicator, right? Then that means that the price is above the indicator. So you put true. Then this should work. This so if user args is a list of this, if this is this or this, if this is this or this, else user args must be list of ints or floats or ints or floats. But I already said that. Or that. So user args must be lists or ints or floats or ints or floats, where you need to send price data. So prices dot in orders that must be open or closed when sending length of names must max level of multi-index. Okay. Gotta go through this shit again as always. Close. EMA is above. The fuck is this? EMA count and time period plus this. Oh. So I guess I do need this. Except I need this to be this. I guess I'll put candle close. No, candle close. Well, I guess that works. EMA is above close. Close, close, close. Huh? Mm-hmm. I don't want to do hmm, what happens if I do that? Oh, okay. So now what we need to do is grab. So we've got our EMA, we've got our RSI. I'll just do 10, do 30. And then do 15 and 30 maybe. And then here we would need to have, oof, I guess we need to have this say RSI time period. RSI time period, RSI count, RSI time period, RSI is below. EMA count. I don't know if we even need this EMA count shit. Why do I even need that? I think we need that. Where does that even come from? It comes from here. Why do I need this? Hmm. Hmm. No, these are not being changed anywhere. Why do I even need that? Time period is below. Time period is below. What? Time period is below? Oh, is below? Oh, that's because I need to add. What do I have here? Out name. So I needed to insert out name. Insert out name plus count. What? Oh, okay. What? Plus this. Well, that's not going to be good. If you have multiple different like with the stosh, we have 5 of these things, and so we're gonna put stosh, whatever, stosh, whatever, stosh, whatever, stosh, whatever, stosh, whatever. I guess so. Biggest fan of this. Oh, I am not the biggest fan. What do you mean? How is that possible? Outname is here. For outname and outnames. How the hell did I do this before? Hmm? Oh, I did indicator name. Oh boy. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wait, what? This is not correct. Hmm. 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 Oh yeah. Here I have to do yes. Here. Yes. You may is above, you may time period. RSI time period, RSI is below. Here is le problème. Le problème. Here is le problème. we concatenate. This is where we're running into issues. I don't know what to do in this situation here. Do you add stash to each one of these things? And if you do that, how do you do that? You have to do for x in whatever, add stash to it. What if you have a ridiculously long name, though? You do for loop in one line. Q times A for A. So here I'd have to do, what did I do? What is this thing? Indicator, I have to do this. Or I have to do this for x in param keys. This param keys equals it would work. I guess. Wait. But I think I have the wrong thing. I feel like I should only just do this once. Not every single time. That did not work. For x in param keys, do this. Huh? List comprehension. Oh. There we go. Forgot that. Gosh. Mm-hmm. And then I guess this is above thing still works with EMA is above. EMA time period. RSI is below RSI. Stash. So now I have to do a thing. Um, evaluators. Oh shit. I guess I need to do this. Do this. That's not good though. Oh, oh. Price. If price is less than this, we're below the price. Okay. Find evaluators. Eval one. Then here we would. So I feel like it would just be something like this. Oh. I feel like it would be more of something like this down here. Have to be. Shh. And for the column in range. Oh shit, how do I do this? No, I had to do the Cartesian product of the arrays. Oh my god, wait a minute. Because if I have 3, if I have 6 RSIs and I have 2 EMAs, I need to have that one EMA go up against all of the RSIs. So I don't actually need the Cartesian. I just need eval one dot shape temporary one array equal this. Then okay, so we've got that one array. And then here we're gonna get the bar. We're gonna get the I think we need to do a triple for loop. Because now we need to get the for all 2. So we're gonna call this smaller data frame. It's gonna be bigger data. So bigger is eval 1. Call big. We'll call this big call in range bigger df dot shape. Bigger df. So big call in range, big call shape 1. So get this. Then we say for all call range all yeah. Then we'll do this thing. We temp smaller df array smaller values. Big call. This is small call. Here we'll do for bar in range. Doesn't really matter. We obviously gonna have to check to see. So then eval array. Oh my god. I'd have to set this to be empty bool. So that to be line array. So empty. We want to have something that is two rows, columns. So here we would need something that is rows would be bigger df. That's the rows. And the columns we would need would be bigger dot shape 1 times smaller df dot shape. And here we would need to do this. Then we would say where temporary bigger temporary bar. Ah, shit. NumPy logical and logical and I think we have it here. X1, X2, logical and NP logical and X1 is okay. So logical and so we shall possibly be able to do NP logical and where temporary equals true. This equals true. Then this way it works. Oh. Well, it can only be true and false. Wait a minute. I don't even think that I need to do a for loop. Because it does it automatically. Where x equals true and this equals true. So I don't even need to do a for loop here, I would assume. Right? But which column do I do it in? Well, how do I get this bar? Well, I don't even need to do that. Right? Oh boy, this is not good. Let's see here. Okay. Yeah. Let's do 2, 5. Generate numbers. So here. That work. I would need this. So then how do you there we go. I guess I could do okay. Okay. There we go. Can we do 10 by 10? Can we do 10? Can we do 6 by 10? Can we do 5 by 10? Oh, wait a minute. 10 by 6. 6 columns. I'm sorry. So if we did this, 10 and then we said this was 0. This. This. These are all 8s. All right, so where this equals true, false, false, true. So I guess that also means that we should take a look at this. True, false, false. So the first one is true, the second one is false, third one is false, fourth one is true, fifth one is true, false. Okay. So this works. So now I have to do for this, then I have to get this, and I have to do for this, I get this. Then I do combine arrays, some type of counter. Which is third. Let's see. Then all the way down here. This X. Oh, shit. So this would have to be the columns tuple plus the whatever tuple. Then it would have to be this list plus the this list. But inside the tuples, we would have to grab the big. Okay, I know it needs to get done, but anyways, I need to go to sleep. Because I need to grab for the bigger df down here, columns, I need to grab big call plus then down here I need to grab smaller df dot columns with this. And so we add the two lists together and then we're grabbing the first row of tuples, which I guess should be a tuple, right? So we're adding this tuple with this tuple. Then what we're going to do is just grab the names of this. Then we're going to add it to the names of this. And that's it. And then we're going to come back up. Let's just try that really quick. I don't think it's going to work. There's no way this is going to work. Because this is that a tuple? And then this is a name plus no way this actually works. There's absolutely no way this works. No way this works. So the bigger df is what? So you have the RSI eval. Yeah. Final df equals pd.concat. So we also have to make returning 1. We are returning 1. And p dot boolean. And p dot boolean. So we are above the 400 EMA and the RSI is below the 50 here. There's no way this is real. I wish I could plot it, but we shall plot another day. There's no way. And then I should be able to take this and just throw it into the thing. What the fuck? You kidding me? So then if I wanted to do this, I would just do RSI indicator. Then I would do the RSI evaluator is below. Then I would do RSI evaluator is below. I'd do RSI is below. RSI evaluator is below. Then I'd do RSI evaluator is rising. Then I would do EMA evaluator. Then, yeah, it would be nice to be able to just attach this as like as a thing, and then I could just do dot eval is above is below, whatever it is. I gotta learn how to do that. And then, so I would do eval is below. Then I would do is rising, then I would do EMA eval, and then I would just combine. Oh yeah, so the problem here is like, how do I dynamically just allow you to throw in like 5 different indicators into this combined evals thing? I guess I would have to just do quargs. This thing would just have to be quargs, and then how would you even? You would have to do for loop on top of 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 for loop. You would have to have an undetermined amount of for loops inside of each other in order to do like 5 evaluators together. Because yeah, it's like I want the RSI to be below 30, and I want the RSI to be rising, and I want us to be above the EMA, and I want the ATR to be doing something. So then I guess I would have to just do like 2 evaluators, combine them, then get this third evaluator, combine that, then get the 4th evaluator, then combine that. How the fuck do I dynamically just go one after the other, after the other, after the other, after the other, after the other? That I have no idea. Right. Why is this an evaluator's copy? This is not a copy. This is evaluators. It seems to be working. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know how you would I also don't think that I really actually need to do this like create the data frame each time, then concatenate each time. I feel like I should be able to create a data frame with this array thing that would give me all of those things. And then I should be able to create a multi-index from tuples that I guess pandas automatically knows not to put 30 30 here. So I would assume that the tuple I guess I would have to create a list of tuples. That's all that this is. It's just a list of tuples. I just have to create a list of tuples and then provide these names, and then that's it. So I don't actually need to do all of this. I can do it at the very end. Right? Because I just have a list of tuples, because that's all this is. That's literally all this is. Yeah, that's all this is. It's just a list of tuples. So I just create this list of tuples, and then, oh, okay. So I don't even need to, all right, so we'll add that to the to-do list. We will say, instead of creating a df every for loop finish, and then just concat to a list of tables. Then at the end, throw the finished array into a df, and then put the that's literally all this is. If so in theory, I have these values. So I say combine values equals this. Then we say multi-index equals multindex equals columns. We'll say this is just going to be reg index equals index. Right, so then in theory we should be able to say p data frame, and we'll do combine values. That's that, which is I guess there's 18 columns. There's 18 columns here. Then if we did index equals reg, then we have the index, and then if we did columns, we did multi-index. Okay. For sure. Okay. Yeah. Do this for both lib. Alright, so we've got that here. Take this and push it up one more. Make it so that I can get true false based on being above EMA and this. Okay, we did that. We did that. Check order records. Okay, so did all that. So tomorrow we will do that. Man, that's gonna be so much cleaner and so much nicer to be able to just keep concatenating to the tuples. And then at the very end, you just throw in your param keys. Oh, man, that's gonna be nice. That's gonna be nice.